Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to be sharing some of my tips on spring cleaning with you all. I'm going to focus a little bit around having cats in your home and some of the things that I'm using right now to keep my house clean and smelling fresh. And I'm really excited about this Purina Tidy Cats Free and Clean Unscented Clumping Litter with Odor Absorbing Charcoal. This stuff is awesome, and I got a ginormous thing of it because the Target had a really good sale going on. I think all their litter was buy one get one 50% off, so that is a great savings. And then I got this brand new giant litter box because we have 2 cats now and the small litter box that we have just wasn't cutting it. Then I grabbed this litter mat that I'm hoping is going to catch some of the litter that comes out. And then I got this handheld vacuum just to have on hand whenever litter does come out of the litter box. And so I'll show you all our area where we keep the litter box, which unfortunately we have such a small space for that. So it's in the guest bathroom and it's not ideal. We don't really have a mud room or anything. So I'm going to be sharing my 8 spring cleaning tips with you all. So hang out and let's get cleaning. So as you can see, this is our guest bathroom and it is a small space. I've already removed the old litter box. It was a small litter box that had no top, no lid or anything like that to it. It was just open. And then we normally have bath mats in here and the litter gets flung out everywhere and it's just really hard to keep this space clean. So these are the bath mats that I was just talking about. I'm just rolling them up and I'm going to toss them in the washer. I do this about once a week and I just feel like this really helps keep this bathroom clean where we do have the litter problem. My first tip is to get a small handheld vacuum that you can keep in the bathroom or in the linen closet to use to clean up any litter that does come out. You can do that daily or every other day, and you won't have to drag out your big huge vacuum just to clean up some litter, and you won't feel like you're constantly clogging up your main vacuum with litter. My second tip is to get a chemical-free bathroom cleaner that you like a lot. I feel like bathroom cleaners can have some of the harshest smelling chemicals, and you'll see here that I'm spraying this Method antibacterial bathroom cleaner on the floor and using my Swiffer mop. The type of floor we have in our bathroom, it works pretty well, and I feel like since it's chemical free, I don't have to worry about my cats getting anything on their feet and licking them and, ingesting chemicals that way. My third tip is to have a cleaning caddy that you can carry around really easily. I can bring this cleaning caddy upstairs really easily to this bathroom and clean really quickly. It has everything that I need in it, and then I can carry it back downstairs easily and put it back in the closet, so I'll have anything that I need downstairs as well. If you're feeling fancy, you could have 2 of them, one for upstairs and one for downstairs. I don't have that right now, but I probably will soon. My fourth tip, if you have cats, is to get a good size litter box with a lid on it and a litter mat. I feel like this is doing wonders in this small space and keeping the litter inside the litter box. I didn't realize how much was coming out of the litter box simply because we had one of them that did not have the lid on it. So they were just kicking it out everywhere. And then this litter mat immediately is going to catch anything that I have on their feet right when they jump out of the litter box. My fifth tip is to get a good quality litter like this Purina Tidy Cats Free and Clean Unscented Litter with Odor Absorbing Charcoal. I feel like this stuff is working wonders after having it in my house for a while. I can tell it is really working. It does not have a scent to it, but it catches all of the scent. And you know what I mean if you have cats. This bathroom used to smell so bad because the cats just, you know what I mean. Like, your house smells like cats if you have cats and you do not have a good litter that can really absorb the smell. So in this small space, especially where I have my mother-in-law stay the night sometimes and she uses this bathroom, and then I bathe Landon in here sometimes. It definitely needed something to help absorb the odor a bit better, and this litter is really doing the job. I'm also noticing that it's like the grains or the granules are bigger than some of the other litter I've used, and it doesn't have a lot of that dust to it when you pour it in. I feel like it doesn't come out of the litter box as easily as the smaller granule litter. So A+ all around. I'm loving this litter. Definitely try it out if you have cats. My sixth tip is to use a reusable microfiber cleaning cloth. I love using this even in the bathroom. I use it on the counter and the mirror, and then if I do use it on the toilet, I make sure to go from the top of the tank down to the bottom. You know, you don't want to spread any germs around that way. But I love using this because I can use it on the counter and then use it on the glass, and it works amazing. It cleans my mirror better than any paper towels. My seventh tip is to find a great glass cleaner that you like that smells really good. My recommendation is Mrs. Meyer's and the lavender scent. I hate using harsh chemical smelling products in small spaces, especially like the bathroom, and glass cleaner is some of the worst to me. So this glass cleaner smells amazing, and I feel like I can go around my whole house and spray it on all of the windows and all of the glass surfaces and mirrors, and it just brings a fresh spring scent into my entire house. My eighth spring cleaning tip might come as a surprise to you, but I do keep a large container of Lysol wipes on hand to wipe out the sink and wipe down the toilet. I feel like this is the easiest way to get rid of some of the bacteria and germs that can get on your surfaces in the bathroom. I really love to use chemical-free products and Mrs. Meyer's and Method, and I love their products so much, but I feel like every now and then you really need to wipe down your toilet handle on the outside with something a little bit stronger, your light switches, your doorknobs, those things, just to keep the bacteria and germs away. So I definitely recommend having a large thing of Lysol wipes like this that you can just reach for and wipe something down really quickly, and just know that you are keeping that dirt and grime at bay. Thank you so much for watching this video and for checking out my 8 spring cleaning tips. If you have cats and you happen to have a litter box in a small space like this, I hope this helped a little bit. If you haven't tried out the Purina Tidy Cats unscented free and clean litter, I definitely recommend it. Target has had a great sale going on, 50% off. I think buy one, get one 50% off. So definitely make sure to check that out. And let me know if you have any tips of your own for a similar situation to this. Thank you so much for watching.